Be ready, start. I do not know what exactly is the reason, but the fact remains that the public is inconvinced and the service are not as efficient as they should have been. I would therefore request the Honorable Minister to examine this question to reorganization as well as the question of satisfying the legitimate demands of the employees more sympathetically, not only because it is just and desirable that the administration should be properly reorganized, but it is also desirable that the employees should be fully satisfied and their legitimate demands should be adequately met, and also because of the fact that this particular department has a direct contact, almost day to day contact with the public, and therefore if this particular department does not function properly, efficiently and to the satisfaction of the public at large, it would mean that the public would be inconvenienced also. This being the additional reason, I would request the Honorable Minister to see if it is possible to reinstate all the employees who are still not reinstated, and to see that the entire effect of the central government employees strike is erased, so that the worker may be in a position to more work enthusiastically and with greater satisfaction to provide these services, which are so very important from the point of view of the convenience of the public. Not only that, but also important from the point of view of the rapid economic development in our country, which is the primary objective before us. It is well known that the most post and telegraph services play a very important role in the economic development of a country. If the post and telegraph services are efficient, to that extent economic development becomes easier. If they are not efficient, it becomes difficult for the people to carry on their day-to-day activity and to maintain their contacts. In view of all these various considerations, and especially in view of the fact that with this bill the Honorable Minister is seeking to enlarge some of the functions of the ministry, I would request him to take these various points into consideration and see what he could do not in the matter. Para. Mr. Deputy Chairman, sir, I wish to lend my support to this bill. The bill is very simple one and there is no need for any controversy or exchange of hot words regarding the matter. As you know, you will see from the statement of objects and reasons, this bill is being brought forward because of the fact that it has become necessary of license the possession and working of television apparatus for any purpose whatsoever.